complaint which been sent by that Mr. Narayan. He's a complainant, and he's been sending these complaints to basically to the Goa government also, as well as he has sent forward a complaint to the Prime Minister also. So it is natural from the Prime Minister office, it comes basically to inquire into the matter. This matter has been inquired, everything. We already have got the opinion from the legal department as far as the senior lawyer is concerned. This opinion will be placed on the floor of the House. This opinion also will be sent, a copy will be sent to the Honorable Chief Minister. I think Chief Minister will forward the details to the PMO's office.
PM. So once it is placed on the floor of the House, it will be proceed to PMO office.
No. Now we will be giving a copy to the CM of the report. Okay. The report copy, in case if CM needs to basically forward it to the PMO's office, he can do so.
Okay. So
and otherwise, see, this is the matter of the House. This issue was taken up on the floor of the House, and we had assured the House that we will basically inquire into the matter. We have inquired into the matter. We have got a legal opinion from a senior counsel. We will place this on the floor of the House. If these people still feel that there is something else into it, they are free to proceed in whatever action they need to take. Okay. Yeah.